She makes people cry. She's so sweet. And what a gift for her. Oh. Beck says, I tried a psychic medium only soon to find out she was looping me into a money pit, telling me I needed to keep buying larger crystals so she could fix me. We probably have lots of horror stories. I pretty much know most healers I connect with, I end up getting full of entity attachments from it. And I'm like, this is me. And I do my due diligence, which this was a couple years ago. And it's people that are high up that seem like, oh, they have all these clients are charging these exorbitant amounts for healing, and they're really parasites hooking you. So just be careful out there. This is why we need to stay shielded so we don't get unwanted curses, hexes, vexes, entities, parasites, toxins in our energy field. And we owe it to ourselves to protect ourselves. It would be like me going in a blizzard naked and wondering why I ended up with frostbite and then being mad about it. Well, I owed it to myself to wear proper protection when interacting in the world around me, and I neglected to do that. And I couldn't say I didn't know. So that's kind of stuff that can happen. And what led to our ability to do this? Saying yes to the scary things. We're jumping off a cliff right now. We are traveling with our children in suitcases, and we don't even have a permanent place to stay. We're staying in Airbnbs, but we know we're being called to go there. And just like for Sacred Fusion, I didn't announce this, but maybe I did. I felt like I needed to close the container because there's a lot of preparations that I've been trying to put off and wait, because I felt like we were supposed to have one couple. Just hold the space for it and be aligned that it's going to happen, and trust the process. And that's what we have to do on our journey.